Yan ang Tiradores. Third quarter na tayo. Shot clock, 6 seconds. Is it a break? Number 25. Number 3. Basket is good. Number 1. Yan na, si Hoopers. Sablay, running number 19. Number 13, for the 3, wala. Pasok yan. Number 1. 3 points. Tiradores, score natin, 34-45. Number 25. Shot clock, 8 seconds. Wala. Three seconds. Number 11. Number 1. Short. Number 17.
Ba't di mapakalito si Iya?
Number 19. Number 1, number 25. Shot clock down to 6. That's it. 3 points. Number 1. Number 11, nakalusot. Wala yan. Sumablay ang tira. Malakas lang. Six minutes 42. There's number 13, hesitation. Runs number 25, fakes. And who's foul rep? Number 28 is foul. First team foul dito sa third quarter. Number 19. Number 17. Floater shot, short. Recovered by number 13. Wala. Malakas ang putback shot. Si number 19, yan si number 8 ng alusot. Basket is good.
Nandun na daw si Drake.
Yatean.
Pasok ang tira. The score, 36-52. In favor of the Tiradores. We still have 5 minutes and 46. Number 8. Hoopers number 8 setting up the play. Finds number 11. Tumira ng 3. Malakas ang tira.
Red, dito mo na lang. Pag-sabi. Timer po ano.
Pumasok ito. Number 25. Traveling. Time out! Miradores.
Wala na kaya ba damit niyo? Wala ni Drake damit niyo?
Ano?
Damit niyo?
Alright, back to the ball game. We only have 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 52-36 ang ating score.
Bola!
Basket is good. Sino yung tumira?
30.
Number 30. 3 points kay number 30. Yan is it number 3. Basket is good. Number 30. Tumira ng 3. Pasok na naman yan. 3. Back-to-back 3 kay number 30. There's number 11. No look pass. Ang ganda ng pasa. Basket is good. Andoan basketball. Foul rep. Foul number 1. Third personal foul. Pangatlong foul na yan. Sablay ang bonus. Rebound ni number 3. Drop pass to the wrong man. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Short footback shot. Number 11. Number 30 pa na yun. Naka-footback shot. Kaya na si number 8. Number 8. Footback shot by number 10. 4 minutes, 16 in this third, and a steal. Mayroon na 3. Basket is good. Number 30. Time out Hoopers. Tiradores. Time out.
Time mo po sila. Yan ang kaya ng pag-uwag. Time mo sila ng basket. Delay yung baser natin. Pipito na lang eh. Oo. Sabihin nila nga tayo. Pipito na lang pag time out. Pinapilito ng pipito. Pinapilito ng pipito. Yun. Pipito. Pinaroto. Ano? Nagal.
Alright, back to the ball game. Dalawang timeout sa Tiradores. Isa pa sa tatlo sa Hoopers. Three seconds, shot clock. Shot clock violation tayo. Anong Hoopers number 30? Tumira naman ang 3 siya. Pasok na naman niya kay number 30. 52 matches. Nabasa apat ang kalamangan ng Tiradores. Then number 3. Nakalusot. Laking mawa. Putzer. 58-52. Balik sa 6. Hoopers number 6, tumira ng press, short. And ako yan, ang number 3. And number 11, Pasco. Number 11, traveling violation. Minutes remaining in the third. Is number 30. And that is a foul committed by number 30. Number 10. Foul number 10. Here's number 11, nicely done. And that is out of bounds. Shot clock, 9 seconds. 9 seconds na lang tayo sa shot clock, alright? Nine violation. 2 minutes 38.
Wala naman ako tubig iya.
Ayan mo, tumbler. Tumbler, malamig yan.
That is si Hoopers. Tumira na naman ang press number 1. Number 4. Forcing the offense. Wala. Nakuha yan ang tira. Hoopers boys.
Tawid!
17 seconds. Shot clock. MC number 6, fakes. Libre sa number 10. Basket is good. Score natin, 58-57. Pag na-shoot, tumira ng 3 sa apply. Kuha ni number 8. Number 30 hesitates. Baseline shot. Basket is good. Time out.
Change flavor.
Tiradores. Isa na lang. Time out ang Tiradores. Score ninyo 59-58. Saints favor tayo 59-58 in favor of Hoopers. Tatlo pang time out ng Hoopers. Tatlo.
Sampo pa kayo, sampo. Go!
Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Pindutin mo pa. Tumunog yan. Idol, bago ba?
Alright, back to the ball game. Number 11. Number 11 to number 3. Forcing the offense. One go. Rebound. Number 3. At the baseline. And there's a foul. Number 1. Number 18. Foul number 18. Sabla yung una. Pangalawa, basket.
Football.
Deadlock tayo, 59-all. Yan ang Hoopers boys. Hoopers, 10 to shoot. Short ang tira ni Hoopers. Buwan yan, tirador si Pasco number 11. Nice tira niyan. Basket.
Tabak sila kanina.
36 seconds na lang ngayon dito sa third quarter. Number 3, pass number 4. Shot.
Oras na.
Oras natin, 20 seconds na lang tayo. Tumira ng 3. Sablay, kuha ni number 9. Number 9. And who's forward? Number 8.
Idol sa kabila ang penalty.
Inipas ko number 11. Number 4. Sablay. Rebound by 11.
Wala nang oras na.
Buzzer na lang maririnig. Robin in violation. 61-59.
1 second na lang.
Third quarter awat ito. And it's number 11.
Apart pa lang.
Hindi ka mag-head. Nasa kamay pa lang niya yung ball.
Apart pa lang yan.
Ang susunod na maglalaro ay Legend Division. Back to the ball game tayo. Maganda-handa na ang susunod na maglalaro. Legend PC versus Buentrans. And last game for the night, Jamela versus Boss 1010.
Sakto lang yan, basta running time lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Sakto lang yung oras lang. Tatlong game lang naman.
Alright, we are now the last quarter of this game. Fourth quarter na tayo, 9 minutes 48. 61-58 ang ating score. Out of bounds. Ayan si Dumondon. Pass number 11. Is steal by the Tiradores. Is steal din ng Hoopers. Hoopers number 1, Dumondon. Pass number 8, Fix. Number 8, side step. Pass number 11, rejected. Number 25. Number 25, naibit. Ako siya. Kaya na number 19. Number 19, almost losing the ball. Finds number 25 for the 3. Won't go. Oh yeah, ni number 30. Number 30. And a steal by number 13. Number 13 to number 19. Nagkakaroon ng papasahan sa number 19. Pass to number 1. Number 1 to number 25. Tumira ng 3. Airlow. (61-59). Isa na lang timeout, Tiradores dito. Tatlo timeout ng Hoopers. Number 11 to number 1. Throws the 3, the 1 down. 1 goal, recovered, number 11. There's a foul, committed by number 1. Number 1, third personal foul. Number 11 in the line for his bonus. First one go. Supply ang una. Pangalawang tira, pasok. Score 62-59. Jersey number 25. Number 25, naipit, naganap na mabasahan. And there's a foul committed by number 11. Number 11, third personal foul. Number 25, number 19, number 17. Shot clock down to 8 seconds. Number 19 forcing the shot, won't go, recovered by number 17 to the baseline. And there's a dribble violation. Sablay ang tira, recovered, number 11 in the paint, Cruz. One go, rebound by number 1. Number 1, long pass, 2. Labas ang bola. Ang ganda ng pasa pero wala ang sablay ang tira. Kasi number 8. Number 8 steal. As number 1. 10 to shoot. Number 1 tumira ng 3 sa elbow. Foul number 11. Warning number 11 to Bradley. Third personal foul. That's number 13. To number. Balik kay number 13. Pass to number 19. Basket. Number 30. Number 30 will be good. Recovered. And there's a foul. Substitution. Pasok. Sino na foul rep? Number 19. Number 19, first personal foul. For 30, that is good. Ang score natin, 63-61. 6 minutes 24. 7-1, basket. And as in number 17, passing to the Roman. Gumira, Hoopers, Sablay, rebound number 25. Number 25. Number 25 finds number 30. Number 30, naipit. Finds number 1. Number 1 hesitates. And to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Yan si number 19, nakalusot. Malakas ang tira. Kuha yan ng Hoopers. Number 1, Hoopers. Takes, penetrate, put it in. Basket yan, kaya na ko. Number 1. Floater shot, wala. Nakuha yan, yung number 19. There's a foul. There's a foul rip. Number 10. Time out. Tiradores, wala na kayong time out. We only have 5 minutes 25.
Sila, wala na. Pogi ka eh. Kaya, back to the back. Pogi ka eh, 10.
Number 19. Basket is good. 62-66. Baba sa apat ng kalamangan. Pumasok idol ha, substitution. Number 40. Shot clock, down to 7. There's a foul. Substitution. Pasok. Number 11 foul. Pasok. Penalty na? Wala pa penalty idol. Wala pa. Number 30. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. 7 seconds shot clock. Out of bounds. $66-62. Ayan na si Nero Torres, number 18. Sabla yung tira. Kunin number 30. Nakaya ng Nero Torres. Back row. Hoopers. Short ang tira. Kunin number 1. Tumunton. Basket is good. 68-62 in favor of the pink elephant. Ayan na si number 6. Tumira ng Chris. 71-62. And a steal by number 28. Number 28, another shot, short. Air ball. 4 minutes remaining in this fourth quarter. Number 1, nakawala sa number 18. Wala ang bola. Minutes 54. Maganda-handa na ang susunod na maglalaban. Buentrans versus 1-1-1-9. And Hoopers burning the time. 7 seconds shot clock. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Buzzer ng 3. Di number 6. Rebounds. Number 18. Forcing the offense. Put back shot. Wala. Recovered to number 9. Sideline. Wala. One number 3. Basket is good. 64-74. Sampo ang kalamangan. Si number 6. Tumira ng press. Sablay. Kasi number 11. Number 11. Nawala ang bola. Ni number 8. Number 30. Stephen Curry. Out of bounds. Time out. Hoopers. We only have 2 minutes and 40 in this last quarter. 74-64. All right, back to the ball game. Our next game for tonight will be between the Legend Division, Buentrans versus Legend BC. And our last game for tonight will be between Adult Division, Jamela versus Boss 1010.
time out na eh, hindi pa kayo sub. Idol, anim kayo!
Inbound to the ball. Number 1. Out of bounds. Si number 30. Si number 30, nagaramdaman pa saan?
Remind mo nga, hindi pa sila nagbabayad.
Nakalusot! Sablay. Out of bounds, bola ng Tiradores. Si number 18. Number 18 to number 3. Fates in the paint, rejected. Tiradores. Wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Baseline shot. Basket is good. Score 74-66. 1 minute and 49. Libre si number 1. Basket yan. The score 76-66. Balik sa 10 kalamangan ng Pink. And si number 11 coming up, cooking the show, and there's a foul
Parang nagbigay niya
by number 8.
yung dito lang.
450 yan.
1 minute 36. Wala pa tayong penalty sa Tiradores. Ayan na si number 3, and there's a traveling violation. Time, 1 minute 28. Still by the Tiradores. Ako ni number 1 yan, to number 11. Number 11. As to number 3. In the paint. And there's a foul. Number 8 foul.
Hindi dito penalty so.
Basket. Unang tira. Second one is good. 68-76. 1 minute and 15. Here's the number 30. Number 30. As number 8. Number 8. Ganda ng tira. Easy basket by number 10. Kasi number 11 to number 19. Number 19 penetrates. Basket yan. Kaya number 19. 70. 78. Baba sa 8. Ang kalamangan. Ayan na si Hoovers, number 30. 43 seconds remaining. Number 30. Nakalusot. Libre na naman. Basket is good. Ay, number 10. Basta na. Mayon na sila.